Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can set the rooms on your map in the Dreame L40 Ultra. So in the first step we have to click on the map with the pen. Now as you can see we have the temporary map. Click on the room partition and save the temporary map if you have like this one, like a normal map. If you complete the scanning before, you should see just normal map. Then click on the OK, and as you can see we have 2 rooms for now. Now what we can do, we can merge these 2 rooms. Just select the 2 rooms and click on the merge if you want to remove any room in your application. If you want to add more rooms, we can activate the map, click from where to where, just set up the line and click on the accept. As you can see, now we have 2 rooms. We can also hide any room or rename the name. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or comment, and goodbye.